Check out this Chrysler 2020 Voyager L. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include AI air conditioning with 3-zone temp control included, rear air conditioning with heater, billet silver metallic clear coat, quick order package 27B included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT UPG1 with ESS transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, manufacturer's statement of origin, transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, STD, black seats, alloy black cloth bucket seats, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT UPG1 with ESS, STD, and front-wheel drive. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.